Mode, and we're gonna play DPO. One of my friends told me to play this game. Not exactly how it works, but let's try to do this. Dang, that was a fast upgrade though. Already at level 10. I thought it was supposed to be like blue versus red. Oh, we have to take down this. Dun 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 dun. It's gonna come after me. No, it's a little turd. It's coming after me. No, my thing glitched out. Dun, dun, dun. 11, yes. Damage, reload. Some of that more. I'm trying to get up to where I can get the twin or the machine gun. It doesn't really matter as long as I want the machine gun whenever I'm at level 30, but I want the twin while I'm at this level, so it depends on how good I'll be. Kill everything you see. Just kill it. No. Not one, no. How could it reach that far? It can't reach that far. I'm just gonna get a reload. There. Well, unfortunately, I'm level 11. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. No, this way. One point is not good enough. I need more than just 1 point. I need every last point in the history of points. Crap, no, it's coming after me. I switch game mode to attack. Tag mode, yay.